rapidly changing world of business, the demand for HR professionals to evolve into strategic partners has never been greater. Welcome to ITD World, your global coaching and leadership development partner. With a legacy of transforming leaders and a mission to change the world for the better, we introduce the Certified Human Resource Business Partner Program. Designed under the guidance of KC Yen, a seasoned expert with over 40 years of international experience, our CHRBP program is a transformative journey that equips you with the skills to become a strategic HR leader. From decoding business partner competencies to leading change, and from leveraging HR metrics to designing agile HR capabilities, this program prepares you for the future of talent management and strategic leadership. Join us and embark on a journey that transforms you into a certified human resource business partner. Elevate your career and become an indispensable part of your organization's strategic journey. With ITD World's CHRBP program, you'll transition from traditional HR roles to a key business partner, equipped to face the challenges of tomorrow. The future of HR is here and now. Be a part of this transformative experience. Your journey towards becoming a strategic HR leader starts with us. Visit the website for more information and to register.